Uhlelo lwanamhlanje mbukeli livula ngenothi eliphansi ngoba phela izolo silale ngeindaba ezithi uyadunguzela undunankulu wesizwe samaZulu inkosi uMangosuthu Buthelezi uShengu Sokalisa njengoba elaliswe egunjini labagula kakhulu. Siyafisa ke sengathi ngelulama imbabazane. Mbukeli njengenjalo sife qathatha singasagayelwa umphako ohlala wenabo uzuqhiyame ngoba phela ugcwele uyaphuphuma ke umgodla wethu. Sikuphathele zonke indaba ehamba phambili umhlahlo wesimo sezulu kanye nezemidlalo. Inqobile banyana Kholosa.
Lalela. Kubani ixesha?
Angazi 10 past 4.
Ngo-3. Xesha ngo-3 mbukeli wami lichilo igwitsho libhengeza ukufika kwethu kaloku siliqela olithandayo Ekhaya Jikelele. Qinisekile kaloku mbukeli into yokubana uthe nqa kumazamehlo uqoqa nendlebe kuba awufuni kuphoswa. Njengoko kaloku etshilo ugqawamo mamtshali into yokubana kuninzi esikuphathele kona namhlanje. Siyathi isixhosa into yokubana umbona umnandi ngokuchubelana. Chubela umeza chubele umeza kube mnandi ekhaya. Igama lami ke ndimlo uKholosa Kalubisi uNonkanyezi uMahlongoti masizitshaye zalemini ziqhuma.
After hearing i-gunshot ke I think yathusa wonke umuntu.
Owayesakuba ngumhlobo kaSenzo Meyiwa uxelele inkundla ephakamileyo yasePitoli ukuba uMeyiwa wayesaphila ukufika kwakhe esibhedlele kulandela ukudutyulwa kwakhe.
Amaphoyisa asenamaQualand ngaseClains Northern Cape atakule idumbe ezishakalombili emayini engakule ndawo.
Lutshani nginguleno sigushetshelo umhajo ikwekwezi FM emthonjeni 9 to 12. Siyakwamukela ehleleni elitsha likamabonakude lendaba ezinabileko Ekhaya Jikelele. Sikhamba nawe nomsebenzini uthi ngesikolweni konke okuhloka kuyokuthola zamva nje siphuma phambili indaba siqahe ngezemidlalo ubujamo bezulu ukuthi na uphuma ekhaya wazi ukuthi umbathe njani. Konke okuhloka ngelimi oluzwisisako la ku SABC News.
Umngani kaSenzo Meyiwa uthi uSenzo wayesaphila ngesikhathi efika esibhedlela. Ngesikhathi yethula ubufakazi umthokozi sithwala utshele inkantolo ukuthi uMeyiwa wayesahefuzela indleleni ebheke esibhedlela. Uthwala ke mbukeli uzokhumbula phela ukuthi ngomunye wabantu ke ababekhona endlini ngobusuku kwadutshulwa ngabo uMeyiwa. Phezulu kwalokho uphinde wachaza ukuthi zangena kanjani igebengu ezimbili endlini ngalobo busuku. Esinye sihlome ngesibhamu kanti esinye sabe siphethe isikhali esicijile esifuze umese.
Umthokozi sithwala uchaze kabanzi wathi wayenganamile ngobudlelwano baMeyiwa noKelly Khumalo njengoba wayeyumngani besakhula nonkosikazi kaMeyiwa uMandisa. Uthwala uphinde wachaza ukuthi isigebengu sokuqala esasiphethe isibhamu safuna umakhalekhukhwini kanye nemali esinye siphethe okwakubukeka njengommese.
Ngikhumbulayo ukuthi wafuna amafoni nemali. Yebo waqhamuka ngemva kwaKelly. uKelly wabaleka wangena kuleli room leli.
Uthi uLongwe Thwala wakwazi ukududula lo wesibili owayephethe isibhamu wabaleka waphumela ngaphandle emva kwengxabano kwase kuqhuma isibhamu.
After hearing i-gunshot ke I think yathusa wonke umuntu. Kwaba khona ukuhlukana kuba khona kancane mina ngikukhumbulayo nje ukuthi ngabaleka ngaphuma ngomnyango.
Emva kokuphuthunyiso kaMeyiwa esibhedlela uThwala uthi ekufikeni kwabo izisebenzi zabatshela izindaba ezibuhlungu.
After like 5-10 minutes waphuma udokotela and then wase wacela umuntu omdala into engikhumbulayo ukuthi ngathi kwayuma kaKelly babizima kaKelly but ngase ngalandela mina ngikhumbula ukuthi ngalandela base basho ukuthi akasekho.
Uthi wahlukunyezwa amaphoyisa amahora ayisithupha wayeboshwe izandla nezinyawo.
Base bakhipha umata into umata esikhwameni futhi lo mata base bawubeka la ngaphansi kwe private party yami. Phinde futhi wase wathatha bakhipha futhi esikhwameni shothi lapho ke esikhwameni bakhipha into engathi iTube base baqala ke bangichupa ngabe ngivala ubuso abinobe ngivala amakhala nomlomo balibambe kanje bese behlanganisa la ngemuva bengisufocate ukuthi ngaphefumula.
Uphinde waveza ukuthi kwakuuKelly watshela unkosikazi kaMeyiwa izindaba ezibuhlungu. Icala liyaqhubeka kusasa.
Inkokheli ye-EFF uJulius Malema umile ngelithi uza kuqhubeka nokucula ingoma ethi Kill the Boer, Kill the Farmer. Kuba ikholelwa ukuba le ngoma yomzabalazo ihambelana ncakasana noko kuqulethwe kwimbali yelifa lemveli. Singathanda ke ukulumkisa ababukeli ukuba eminye yemifanekiso kule ngxelo iqulathe ubundlobongela.
Kill the Boer, the Farmer.
Yisona lesi isiqubulo somzabalazo esaduma kakhulu ngeminyaka yama-90s. uMalema uthi noma ngabe sekwaphela iminyaka engaphezulu kwama-30 lesiqubulo esihambisana nomzabalazo saduma khona kakhulu, kuyena asikaphelelwa nhlobo isikhathi.
There is a court decision that must be respected. Those who have appealed it, they must go and fight it in court. We won, and we shall sing this song in line with the court decision. The Court of South Africa, an independent court, has made a declaration on this matter and is closed.
Iqeqebana labamhlophe elingajabule ngale ngoma litheleke ekomkhulu lamahhovisi eqembu lingamenyiwe emini namhlanje nokuyilapho ke lihlangabezane nezimpi layithutha.
Yeah, it's not a place where we are scared of a white man here. Yeah, it's the only liberated zone in South Africa. Yeah, no white man comes taking chances here. Those ones who came earlier, they must thank their God. They must try it again. They must thank their God. It's not a playful area here.
iDA isinqume ukumangalela umholi we-EFF emkhandlwini wenhlangano yezizwe, kanti iqembu iFreedom Front Plus lona livulele icala uMalema estation samaphoyisa.
Amaphoyisa aphume inqina emva kokutholakala kweyidumbu ezisishiyagalombili emayini ngaseClains esifundeni inaMakhwalende Northern Cape. Okhulumela ke umasipala weNamakhoyi eSpringbok uthi amaphoyisa alunywe indlebe malungana nomhubhe obhidlikile kule mayini.
The police have excavated 8 bodies so far, and the police do believe that there might be more people, that might be trapped. But they are still, working tirelessly to see if there are more people. So we will know more once they have made any discoveries. We are not quite sure at the moment, but we have experienced heavy rainfall, this past couple of weeks. As you might know, that we had road closures and we had aid relief, that came to our relief, to our aid, and brought relief to some of our communities that were trapped. So that was that. There was heavy rain. So, the ground is a bit unstable at the moment. And we call them diggers around here. They have been digging for some time and they are digging quite deep tunnels. Now, these tunnels are unstable, and some of these people, they come here and they come and dig here. They are not miners, or they never used to work in mining, so they do not know about safety and all those things. And like I said, it's not, it's informal mining that's happening here.
Bangaphaya kwama-20 abantu abajulwe ngaphaya kwezithixo abatyholwa ngokomba igolide ngongekho mthethweni eRiverlea eGauteng emva koqhankqalazo lwabemi abakhalela ukhuseleko kule ndawo.
Namhlanje abakwaSidlodlo bagasela imijondolo yasezamimpilo eduze kwaseRiverlea beyoshaqa amathuluzi asetshenziswa iqembu labamba izimayini ngongemthetho. Lokhu kuza emva kokuba izakhamuzi zaseRiverlea zingenele umbhekisho ngomsombuluko. Lo mkhankaso awugcinanga ngokushaqa amathuluzi kuphela, kepha kuphinde kwaboshwa nabokufika abangenawo amaphepha okuba kuleli. Yize kunjalo, kepha abanye bacele impunzini ngaphambi kokufika kwamaphoyisa kule ndawo.
Now we haven't found anything. It's just that we saw the Zamazamas running down. So they slowed down, and then when they slide down, that's when we were rushed.
Owengamele ezokuphepha komphakathi eGoli uthi kungenzeka ukuthi lamaqembu anethemba lezobunhloli kwazise njalo uma bezama ukwabamba babuya belambatha.
They must actually help us, because this must be an intelligent-driven operation. Because what happens is that these guys, as you have seen, that they are very organized. When we plan this operation there, and then we are going in, by the time we get in, they're gone.
Okwamanje bangaphezulu kwama-20 abantu abadabuka kwamanye amazwe asebekhalelwe ngamasongo kasigonyela emijondolo yasezamimpilo kanti amaphoyisa asiqaphe ngelokhozi isimo.
Yize imbangela yokuqhuma okwenzeka emathunjini omgwaqo enkabeni yedolobha iGoli siqinisekisiwe ukuthi kwaba yi-methane gas, kepha namanje akahlaluki umsuka wokuqhuma. Lokuza nje umkhandlu udolobha waseGoli uthi izindleko zobungakho bomonakalo wadaleka zingase zidle igidi eziyi-170 zamarandi.
Emasontweni amabili adlule kwaqhuma igesi emgwaqweni uLilian Ngoyi owawaziwa ngeBri enkabeni yeGoli. Selokwenzeka lesi sigameko kube nembuzo ngokuthi imbangela lokuqhuma bekuyini. Namhlanje ke lembuzo iphendulekile.
The type of the gas that has fueled the explosion is methane. We can say it with certainty, it's methane.
Ngesonto eledlule umkhandlu umemezele ukuthi le ndawo isiphephile futhi uphinde waveza ukuthi inhlelo zokuyilungisa seyiqalile.
The rebuild and rehabilitation of Lilian Ngoyi Street must ensure that going forward we set the standards for the management and underground infrastructure and the roads that lie on the surface.
Uphenyo lisaqhubeka kanti akakacaci ukuthi lo mgwaqo uzolungiswa isikhathi esingakanani.
Usapho lakwaDalisile Ngcobo lutyhola isebe lezempilo eMpuma Koloni ngongakhathali. Okuke kuza emva kokuba oogqirha besibhedlele iNelson Mandela Academic Hospital betyhola ngokwala ukunyanga indoda eneminyaka engama-23 ethe yatsha ngokumasikizi engalweni, esifubeni nasebusweni.
Selezileqa isibhozo inyanga undaba zovuyo Dalasile esesibhedlele. Lo ubengumfundi kwano-college eDikini. Izandla zakhe zezona zinomonakalo omkhulu. Bekukhe kubekho ithuba lokuba athengelwe izixhobo zokutshintsha amanxeba nanjengoko bezingabikho esibhedlele eNgcobo.
Xa ezawuya umntana eMandela kuyafika eMandela kuthiwa akho bhithi, ibhithi umntana ebezawulala kuyo kufakwe umntu kuyo. Ucelelwe indawo eMthatha Regional Hospital. Wathatha umntana wayobekwa pha. Oogqirha baseMandela zange baye neminenye.
Usapho lakwaDalasile lavuma ukuba kwenziwe utyando, kodwa isibhedlele iNelson Mandela sele simjike amageli.
Ndayo isayina i-consent form pha ngabo-9 ekuseni. Ndayisayina ndafika ifilishiwe ndasayina. Ndalinda i-ambulance, yafika i-ambulance yasithatha saya e-theatre eNelson Mandela. Xa sifika eNelson Mandela e-theatre kwathiwa ayaziwa le nto.
Isebe lezempilo lithi uzokutyandwa kwiveki ezayo.
Oogqirha abazingcali kuqhaqho benze uphando olugqibeleleyo kwimeko yakhe ngenjongo zokufumanisa ukuba ukulungela kusini na ukuyokwenziwa uqhaqho. Ingxelo zibuye zibonisa ukuba zikhona izinto oogqirha ebezibaxhalabisa neziye zakhokhelela ekubeni bakhe baziqwalasele.
Ndingulwandile Mbulali, eNgcobo.
Umkhandlu udolobha weTheku uthenge amaloli angama-55 athwala amanzi ukwengeza kulawo angaphezu kwe100 avele ekhona kulomkhandlu.
Lamaloli athutha amanzi angama-55 azokwandisa kulawo angaphezu kwe100 avele ekhona eThekwini. Lamaloli azosiza imiphakathi esekuphele izinyanga intula amanzi ezindaweni ezahlukene zeTheku namaphethelo. Ingaphezulu kwamaphesenti angama-60 inqalasizinda yedolobha eyacekelwa phansi izikhukhula ngoMbasa nangoNhlaba ngo-2022.
Mass removal lawa 55 ebesikade soharisha ngaphandle kwabazimele kuzokwehlisa ibudget yethu ukuthi ebesisebenzisa sikhokhela bona ama-millions besigcina spend 100 million ngonyaka ekharisheni lama trucks. So kuzokwehlisa lowo mthamo wemali ebesiukhokha, leyo mali sizokwazi ukuyithatha manje siyichanele ekumaintaineni silungise kahle inqalasizinda yethu.
Ukhawunda uthi kudingeke ukuthi umasipala ushintshe izimali ebezabelwe omunye umsebenzi ukuze kulungiswe inqalasizinda eyakhahlamezeka ngezikhukhula.
Sizothula ama-truck amaloli lawa okuhambisa amanzi emphakathi, kakhulukazi le mphakathi enenkinga efana njengongonyameni, enenkinga efana njengoko-Ward 2 o-Ward 3 komzinyathi.
Umasipala uthi usuqinisa ezokuphepha ngokufaka amakhamera ukuze kugwenywe ukwabiwa kukadizili emathangini abo. Ukuntshontshwa kukadizili ezinye zezinto ebeziphazamisa ukulethwa kwamanzi. NginguNonhlakanipho Magwaza ezindabeni ze-SABC eThekwini.
Enkosi ngokuhlala nathi nisasibukele kaloku apha ekhaya jikelele kwinkqubo ndaba yakho uDTT. Manje kuba nje amagosa amabini kamasipala iOR Tambo ngezityholo zorhwaphilizo okuke kulandela umba wamadama okhiwe awagqitywa ze amanye awaqwala kwa okwakhiwa. Injongo ke zala madama ibikukususa amanzi acocekileyo kuluntu zengingqi ezikude kufuphi neSajonis. Ukuthetha banzi ke ngalomba siye sakrweca kaloku uzimkhitha macingwana nothethela umasipala waseOR Tambo. Masikubulise sikwamkele izimkhitha enkqubeni iEkhaya jikelele.
Manibhotise kuwe kholosa nibhotise nakubabukele ekhaya.
Ndiyathemba into yokubana niyaphila kwelo cala.
Siqhuba kakuhle ngomsebenzi wokusa inkonzo eluntwini.
Ngatsho. Ezimkhitha ungakhe nje usiqinisekise kwinto yokubana kuye kwabanjwa amagosa amabini aseOR Tambo ngezityholo zorhwaphilizo.
Umasipala wesithili iOR Tambo uyakuqinisekisa oko uba ngomvulo afikile amagosa okhetshe nalapho abasebenzi ababini bakamasipala baye banqakula. Kodwa ke iinkcukacha ezithe vetshe malunga nokubanjwa kwabo azikho sesandleni sikamasipala nanjengoko ngokulomba ungumba wabo banamagunya okuphanda. Kodwa ke sisesithili siyahlonipha onke amaqonga akhoyo asekiweyo ngurhulumente woMzantsi Afrika ukuba ancedisane nathi siOR Tambo ukusiphula nengqambo zonke ii-elements zorhwaphilizo. Kwangaxeshanye sihlonipha umgaqo-seko woMzantsi Afrika wokuba aba basebenzi siza kubajonga njengabasebenzi abangenatyala de kukhutshwe isigqibo esisesinye ngamaqonga afanelekileyo ukukhupha eso sigqibo.
Siyaqonda into yokubana esisehlo sishiye amakhulukhulu welali befumana amanzi emilanjeni gxebe. Ingaba umasipala waseOR Tambo uqinisekisa njani ukuba uyancedisana ngamanzi kwezi ngingqi zinamadama angagqitywanga nezi ezingakhiwanga?
Kuza kuba nzima uba ndithi thaca ingxelo ecacileyo malunga nala madama sithetha ngawo nanjengoko lo mba ngoku sele ngumba osemapoliseni. Kuba nantoni na endinoyithetha kodliwayo nendlebe ingasetyenziswa njengobungqina koluphando. Kodwa ke mandiyibeke elibala into ethi le project sithetha ngayo yiproject equka amadama aliqela. Amanye alo madama zikhona izizathu zoba abe awakagqitywa ukwenziwa. Izizathu ezo ke ngemaxesha afanelekileyo zawuthathaxa kumaqonga afaneleke uphonononga oko. Akhona sebegqityiwe umzekelo kummandla wasemqanduli. Le project ibingaquki madama kuphela, ibiquka nokunyuswa kombane kwi-water treatment works yethu yaseThornhill. Umsebenzi lowo wagqitywa ngo-2019. So ayingomakhulukhulu angawafumani amanzi, kodwa bakhona abantu abawafuna amanzi kule project sithetha ngayo. Kodwa kube nzima ke ngokuba singene kwiinkcukacha ezithe vetshe nangona lo mba sele usezandleni zabafanele ukuphanda nzulu.
So lilonke mhlawumbe ungathi abantu bangalinda ixesha elingakanani?
Kunzima nalapho ukuthi basithi abantu balinde ixesha elingakanani kuba kwezinye iiprojekthi eziphandwayo kuye kwanyanzeleka basinikeze abomthetho indawo yabo uba mabenze umsebenzi wabo, sikhe sithi xa okwethutyana ngalo msebenzi. Kodwa apho besebesegqibile umsebenzi siyaqhuba abantu bayawafumana amanzi.
So sisimkhitha ungathi mhlanje ningumasipala nenza ntoni uqinisekisa uba uluntu lusoloko luthe gqolo lwazi ngokuqhubekayo kunye neziphumo zophando kuba njengokuthi awukwazi ungena nzulu uchaza into okubana mhlawumbe lamanzi azawufumaneka nini ingaba niyakwazi into okubana nixhobise ingingqi zikwazi into okubana zazi ba yonke lento ihamba njani?
Ngokwenene siyakwenza oko rhoqo ngekota siba nayo ingxoxo noluntu lommandla wase-OR Tambo nalapho isodolophu esithili i-OR Tambo ohloniphekileyo ukhansila Mesuli Ngqondwana kunye nabo bobahlanu sodolophu bomasipala basekuhlaleni baye basebenzise onomathotholo basekuhlaleni kwakunye namakhasi onxibelelwano bethetha ngenkqubo karhulumente zekota leyo sikuyo banikeze nethuba loba abahlali balommandla nabo batsala umnxeba bathethe nosodolophu bezibuzela izinto eziqhubayo. Kodwa ke ngaphandle koko sinayo into okuthiwa i-IGR structures nalapho sisebenzisana namasebe amangamanye karhulumente akhoyo kulo mmandla wase-OR Tambo iinkosi ne-private sector ne-NGOs nalapho siye sinikeze ingxelo ekumila kunje apho abantu sibanikeze ithuba loba nabo bakwazi usicebisa ngesiqhubayo singulo masipala. Masiphinde sigxininise into ethi singulo masipala i-OR Tambo siyazamkela zonke i-investigations ezizayo ngoba siyathemba ukuthi ezi investigations zizozasincedisa ukuba apho kukho urhanelo loba kukhona ulutyiwo lwemali i-investigations ezo zizakwazi usinikeza izigqibo zoba ingabe imali ichithwe ngendlela engeyiyo na okanye imali karhulumente isebenze ngendlela efanelekileyo. Kodwa xa uphando lusaqhuba ngohlobo njengalena sithetha ngayo imeko kuye kube nzima uba singene kwiinkcukacha ngoba sonqena uphazamisa uphando. Kodwa ke ndiphinde ndiyitsho into yoba Kholosa kwalapha kwibhunga le-OR Tambo sinayo ikomiti eyi-MPAC yona le komiti nayo yikomiti yangaphakathi eyenza olwayo uphando ngazo zonke iinkcitho zikamasipala eye ithi ekubeni yenze uphando lwayo isinikeze i-recommendations apho ibona kufanelekileyo uba senze uphando lwangaphakathi ukwenza ukuthatha amanyathelo apho kukrokrelwayo uba lukhona unyawo lwemfene kwindlela abakwenziwe ngawo umsebenzi. So sinawo amaqonga ahlukahlukeneyo nangaphakathi oqinisekisa into yoba asivumeli kwamntu ukuba enze unothanda ngemali karhulumente koko imali karhulumente yenza umsebenzi efanuba iyawenza ukusinkonzela untwini.
Zimkhitha asikwazi uyibalekela into yokubana izenzo ezifana nezi ingakumbi apho kuzoba khona uburhwaphilizo ziye zenza into yokubana intembeko ingabikho kuluntu kuba ngenene mhlawumbe umuntu xa izawubona into yokubana hayibo i-OR Tambo lengingqini phantsi kwayo kwenzeka izinto ezifana nezi kodwa ufumanisa ukuthi kwelinye ixesha ininzi imali echithwayo ingaba mhlawumbe ningumasipala wase-OR Tambo yintoni eniza kuyenza ukusukela ngoku ukuze kuphinde kube nako ukuthenjwa ngabahlali nengingqi ezichaphazelekileyo?
Kuninzi esikwenzayo ubuyisela le ntembeko. Kunyaka mali lona sisiphuma kuwo ka-2022-2023 akhona amagosa aphezulu aye atyityiselwa umnwe amanye ke aphele lahle emsebenzini kuba bekukho uphando oluqhutywayo. Thetha nawe nje ngoku zikhona i-disciplinary processes eziqhutywayo ngaphakathi kumagosa apho i-AMPAC ithe xa iphanda yafumanisa uba kukhona ungenziwa kakuhle komsebenzi then internal processes zathatha indawo yazo. Nanjengoku sithetha nawe akhona amagosa esiwanikele kwabasemagunyeni okuphanda nzulu which is the external organs of investigation so that apho esikrokrelayo bakhona into engenziwanga kakuhle esingenayo icapacity yoyiphanda thina singumasipala siyinikeze kuloo maqonga. Mandiphinde ndibethelele nokuba upresident wayenze i-proclamation naye kunyaka ophelileyo othi i-SIU mayiphande sasebenzisana nayo kakuhle yasinikeza i-recommendations zayo i-SIU ezawuthi thaca phambi kwebhunga lethu ukwenzela into yoba abo babekhonjiwe iripoti ye-SIU kukwazi ukuthethwa amanyathelo kuwo. Zama ukuthi intembeko siyayifumana ebantwini balommandla kuba asithi apho kukho urhanelo loba kwenziwe ngendlela engeyiyo sihlale phezu kwalo mabibi. La mabibi lawo siwabeka elibala abo benze ukubi bajongane nengalo yomthetho okanye bajongane nee-processes zangaphakathi zokulungisa izigwegwe zabo. Kodwa mandiyiphinde okokugqibela into ethi kulona umba kuba ingumba osaqalayo nje uphandwa ngamapolisa kuzaba nzima uba singene nzulu kwezo nkcukacha. Kodwa ngexesha elifanelekileyo amapolisa xa egqibile ukwenza umsebenzi wawo sizazela eluntwini sizowaxelela uba nantsi indima ehanjiweyo ngokhetshe nazi izigqibo ezithathiweyo.
Zimkhitha, masibambe ngazibini ngexesha lakho kwaye sethemba into yokubana nizawusebenzisana kakhulu noluntu ukusiphula nengcambu lenyewe.
Inkosi kakhulu.
Right, mbukeli we-Ekhaya Jikelele lo ke besithetha naye nguye uZimkhitha Macingwana nothethela umasipala i-OR Tambo. Esiqinisekisa kaloku mbukeli into yokubana ngenene kuye kwabanjwa amagosa amabini ekhaneleka into yokubana nabo bebekhona ngezityholo zorhwaphilizo kulandela ke amadama akhiwe awagqitywa pha kumasipala we-OR Tambo. Uyatsho ke mbukeli into yokubana uba ngaba mhlawumbe ufuna ingcenezelo ezithe vetshe ngalomba ungabandwendwela beyi-OR Tambo. Kanti ngoku ke masithi qhwi evenkileni wena ungayindawo siyabuya emva kwale ntengiso. Kwa chapa kanti ke uCaptain weBanyana Banyana uThembi Kgatlana ovalele emntatheni inqaku lempumelelo ubonakale echukumisekile ukuphela komdlalo.
So emotional, you know. I've been in camp pushing every day. I chose to be with this team. We've got a lot of criticism, but it's football, you know. It's who wants it the best. Over the last 3 weeks, I've lost 3 family members. I could have went home, but I chose to stay with my girls because that's how much it means. I come back from a very, brutal injury, and for me to be here to play for the country, to represent every single girl that wanted to be here, to make history with the girls for South Africa. I mean, everyone deserves it. You know, it was a team effort. We might have messed the 2 games up, but this one was something that I think we had to dig deep. And as you can see, the girls are happy. We've made history, and I'm very happy.
Kanti ke mbukeli lo bekuthembi Kgatlana ke mbukeli usho khona ukuthi nje ayi basebenze kanzima bena amantombazane kanjalo wasebalula nokuthi uluze amalungu amathathu omndeni wakhe lokho bekungenza ukuthi abuye phela ezobafihla noma benomndeni wakhe kodwa wakhetha ukuthi ahlale aqhubeke ukudlala ngoba uyalithanda ibhola. Uphinde uyabalula futhi nokuthi sokhumula phela mbukeli ukuthi uphuma lapha yana kade limele isikhathi eside ezama ke ukuthi aphole kuloko kulimala kwakhe ngenhlanhla kusepholile kulimala kwakhe wabuya ngempela wadlala kahle ke eqenjini. Sibongele kakhulu ke iBanyana Banyana. Kanti ngabe siqhubekela phambili kusenjalo izakhamuzi zaseNingizimu Afrika nazo ke mbukeli ziyithakasela kakhulu lenqopha mlando yokunqoba kweBanyana Banyana.
It's a big victory for South Africa. It's a huge victory because what they went through before they left, a lot of people have undermined them, you understand? Especially for them being Banyana being a woman team. So it has put us in a big spotlight across the globe.
Banyana is the star club of South Africa. The whole of South Africa, although before they went there, we were splintered, talking in different wavelengths, as you know, what we did before they even boarded their plane to New Zealand. But today, where are we? Through them. South Africa is on the map because Amando Mazana are flying our flags.
They have shown us that victory does not come in gender. And they have taken us to a place where we've never been before, because those we trusted before never even showed us that they can. Yeah, even in terms of finances, my advice would be that the accountants for these ones now should consider these ones. Even sponsors now, they know where to go. Your money is safe this side. They have shown us that it's not about gender. Yeah, women are powerful by nature. They know how to do things. They have done it. All I could say is that show us more.
iProteas zilwe kwalweka nalapho ziye zaphela zintanganye kumdlalo wazo nentshatsheli ezikhuselayo kwibhola yomnyazi eNew Zealand. Kumdlalo ke ubunika umdla kunene eKapa eCape Town International Convention Centre. Njengokuba ke izinto zimile ukuze uMzantsi Afrika ufumane ithuba lokudlulela kumdlalo wandulela amagqibela kankqoli eKapa, kufuneka ke iJamaica ibethe iNew Zealand kumdlalo wanamhlanje ngaye u-11 AM. Ngelixa ke yona iProteas ifuna ukugqitha kwi-Uganda. I-Sunshine Girls yaseJamaica ibethe iTrinidad and Tobago ngayo u-89 kuye u-26 kumdlalo we-Pool G, kwaye ke izibeke kwindawo kumdlalo wandulela amagqibela kankqoyi ngempelaveki. Nanka ke amanye amaqabantshintshi.
She'll have to watch that, Wilson, because that's the real strength of her game, is that sealing off, and that's all she did there was seal off and presented and got pulled, so perhaps she'll have to change it up a bit.
Contact, goal defence.
Yeah, that was really sneaky, Jenny. And Nicole Talia definitely using the 8th player on the court, which is the post, to play against.
And I thought we started actually quite well, got 2 or 3 ahead of them. And I think some soft turnovers from us that weren't quite clear on the line that we took.
Strength of Maturo. Contact, goal defence. Not only physically strong, she's got a presence in that circle, but she's mentally tough for someone so young.
Certainly Maya Wilson, Tiana Maturo, they've played together in under 21s, they haven't.
Manage obstruction, wing defence. Contact, goal defence. That's it.
Well, if there's any time when the Silver Ferns need to hold on to the ball, it's now. Oh my Lord! I can't believe it!
Hold time.
Now it's about composure.
Well, they've got to be calm here, the South Africans. And what can New Zealand defenders do? Talia for the draw! With the long bonus!
It's a draw!
And that is a famous draw. Look at Norma Plummer. She is delighted. You talk about famous victories. This is a famous draw.
What a game! What a game, South Africa!
48 goals apiece.
Khona manjalo ukapteni weqembu lesizwe lebhola lomnqakiswano uBongi Msomi ubethulele isigqokoza kwabo ngokuxoka amakwezi ngalomdlalo wabo ngesikhathi begadulisana neNew Zealand evikela isicoco sendebe yomhlaba yebhola lomnqakiswano. UMsomi ubalule ukuthi ukubamsana njengeqembu yikhono okuholele ekutheni leli qembu likwazi ukuyibamba iqine kwaze kwafika umzuzu wokugcina kulomdlalo.
I remember saying at halftime they would throw changes, stay intact, don't worry about it, we good. And I think we're starting to believe that we can put out great performances when we're in sync, and it's just great for netball in our country, you know, to see that it doesn't matter who comes in front of us, when we're putting out great performances, the result like this can come. It'll be great if it was a win though, but yeah, I will still take a draw. I think it's still as respectful.
Congratulations to my girls. I think the last quarter we knew they're up by 4 and it was close. Like to play these guys, they're so fantastic. They're such a heartless team. So for us, we told ourselves just go hard and keep the ball in hand. Don't throw away any ball. As soon as we win the ball, make sure we convert. I think that's what we did this last quarter.
Yeah, truly, it was a defensive game. Starting off, you did get the turnovers, but then you struggled to convert it. So what communication did your coaches give you at halftime?
The coaches just said keep going. I think everyone did a good job, and we just need to keep the positions because if we force the long ball, that's where they create the long ball. So we have to play short and sharp and make sure we work together as a unit. As soon as they shift the zone and we play opposite side. That's why we beat them.
That was a great choice you made there and a great positioning. And then going into tomorrow against Uganda, what's the plan? What are some of the good things you will take with you?
Oh damn, it's going to be a hard one because they're very good to keep the ball. I think we have to force them to pass the long balls. They use the short ones. I think we're ready as a team to just go hard and take them.
Nicole, brilliant game. Congratulations on that draw. You guys fought back hard, and on a personal level, congratulations on an MVP. Knowing that this is Women's Month, I have to bring up a very important woman in your life that's unfortunately not with us in the physical anymore. We know this was a dream for you. Please tell us, what does all of this mean to you?
It honestly just means everything that she's done for me in my life to get me where I am today. It's all paid off, and I honestly wish she was here to experience it with me. But all of her friends are in the crowd, and I can feel her and I can feel her love.
This is definitely so much bigger than all of us. I can see the passion you're playing with. I can see the pure emotion. And I know Mama D would be so proud of you there up in heaven. And I just want to say congratulations on everything you've been doing and all the best for tomorrow.
Thank you, Joe.
Njengamanje ke mbukele ke siphosa amehlo ke sibheke ukuthi kuhamba kanjani futhi simi kanjani isimo sezulu. Siphinde sikamukele mbukeli ekhaya Jikelele sibonga kakhulu ukuthi ke usahlanganyele kanye nathi. Abafundi baseyikhungweni zemfundo ephakeme abangeneme bamashele eindlini zombuso ePitoli nasemahhovisi omnyango wemfundo ephakeme ukuyokwethula uhlu lwezikhalo malungana nokuhoxisa kwesibonelelo sokuxhasa abafundi esikhwameni seNSFAS. Iningi ngembukeli labafundi likhala ngokuthi phela imbangela yokungaxhaswa kwalo ayinaso isisekelo esizwakalayo. Ngaleyo ndlela abafundi bafuna ukuthi ungqongqoshe wemfundo ephakeme uDokotela uBlade Nzimande aphume nesixazululo kulolu daba. Ukubheka banzi lolu daba sixhumana nomengameli womkhandlu omele abafundi eNyuvesi yaseWestern Cape ophinde abe isikhulumiso mengameli bemkhandlu abafundi emanyuvesi nje akuleli uMandla Notyawa. Mandla asikubingelele sikamukele ekhaya Jikelele namhlanje ekseni. Kahle kahle kufuneka ngabe ngithi mengameli sikubingelele namhlanje ekseni.
No, nama ngithathela ithuba ngibulise kuwena ababukeli ekseni namhlanje.
Sibonge kakhulu ukuthi ube nathi uxoxisane kanye nathi lapha ekhaya Jikelele. Sekuphala iminyaka kunomdonsiswano phela phakathi kweNSFAS kanye nabafundi. Uthi kodwa siyoke sitholakala isisombululo kulolu daba.
Ngohlobo uhulumende wanamhlanje oqhuba ngalo ubonakalisa ukuba ngabakanaso isisombululo. So deala ne-problems izipirents ezihlangana nazo. Ngenxa yesibonelelo isizikahulumende songu-NSFAS. Njengoba nawo usitsho kudala iminyaka nomnyaka sithethe intweni sicela ukuba ngabe uhulumende angenelele olungiso uphinde uncedisana no-NSFAS kwi-administration yakhe because u-NSFAS Jikelele uyabafela abafundi kwi-university eJikelele lapha eSouth Africa.
Amandla kahle kahle nina njengabafundi iziphi izikhalo eninazo nje eziphezulu kwilist yenu enithi nikhononda ngazo?
Welezine izinto esizibona njengezinto esidinga uhulumende makangenelele kuzo kuba kudala sizama ukuthetha
Ewe Mandla. Mandla, sicela uzame uku-unmute lapho nakho singasakuzwa. Mbukeli ake sithi siquke njengapha ngaseyidolobheni sizama ukulungisa ukuxhumana kane noMandla ningaphuthelwa sizobuya emva kwekhefu. Siphethe sikwamukele mbukeli lapha ekhaya Jikelele ngaphambi kokuthi sekhefini mbukeli besixhumana noMandla Matya omengameli wabafundi lapha ya Jikelele. So besikhuluma naye ngendaba ye-NSFAS okuthi ke abanye abafundi isithe yasusa imali ke ebebenikeza bona. Mandla sikwamukele futhi ekhaya Jikelele sethembe sesiyazwana kahle manje.
Ndiyakuva mina ndiyazi ngawe ndiphinde
ndibulele nami ndikuva kahle besisa ubusasichazela lapha yana ukuthi ena yiziphi ikhale ninazo nina njengabafundi eziphezulu kwilist yenu enikhononda ngazo.
Zine izikhalo esithethisana nazo nohulumende wanamhlanje through uBlade Nzimande onguminister we-higher education. Okokuqala sithi asilifuni uhlobo azanalo eli-introduce nge-NSFAS lonika izitudents imali yazo. U-NSFAS ngokuze nesystem ayibiza ngokuba yi-direct payment apho aze ne-service providers wathatha izitudents bezifumana imali through universities. Ngoku u-NSFAS uyithathile la process waqesha i-service providers ezizawunika izitudents imali. Ezo service providers eziye zicharge izitudents i-fees ezingaphaya ezingenzi sense ezi-expensive ukudlula izinto ukudlula i-charges esizichargewa zii-banks esizisebenzisayo ngoba esifumana imali through universities. Eyesibini into esikhala ngayo kukuba izitudents across i-South Africa bezifundwa kwisemester yokuqala ngoku azisafundwa akukho zizathu azanazo urhulumente ezisemgangathweni ezithi siyekiswe ifunding ngenxa yalento nalento. Ubuye ukhumbule kuba ezi students apho if beziyazi beyazina funding for lo nyaka ngeze zahlala phansi azazi esikolweni okanye ngezikhangele enye i-funding options but urhulumente uye wazithembisa ukuba uzasifanda wazifanda nyani wazinika imali kodwa ngoku urhoxisa unyaka seqalile. Esithathu kukuba ngaba izitudents ebezi-aphilile ku-NSFAS zingekafumani impendulo zazo uzotsho namhlanje. Kudala i-academic year iqalile but izitudents ze-expected ukuba zikwazi ufunda ziparticipate esikolweni kodwa zifumane allowances akho mali eziyifumanayo azifumane kwampendulo esuka ku-NSFAS ethi lento nalento siyakuthatha okanye asikuthathi. Eyesine kuba uthi u-NSFAS ukuba izitudents ezenza i-modules ezi-amounta to 60 credits and less akazozifunda kulo nyaka uzazifunda uzazinika allowances ezithile ezinye allowances akazokwazi usifumana. Ubuye ukhumbule ukuba ezi students ezisuka kuma-Eastern Cape ziyofunda ko-Western Cape esuka ku-Gauteng ziyofunda ko-Limpopo. Ezo students kuloo ndawo ziyofunda kuzo funeka zibe nendawo yokuhlala apho zizawuthi zihlale khona zibhatale irent yokuhlala apho. Funeka ziphinde zibe nee-allowances but urhulumente uthi uzazibhatalela only i-tuition fee angazibhateleli ii-allowances zabo angabaniki ii-allowances zeencwadi ii-allowances zokutya. So zezo zikhalo zine ezi sikhala ngazo ezikwi-top of our list.
Mandla ingabe u-NSFAS mhlawumbe ushilo wayikhipha nizathu zokuthi kungani engabaxhasi abanye abafundi. Ngiyakuzwa lokho kushoyo ukuthi abanye usehoxisile ukubaxhasa ebenebe baxhasa amaqala unyaka ukuthi bacabanga noma ke mabengabe bebuka bona belibuka lolu daba babona ukuthi abafundi sekuphakade onyaka ingabe bazoyithatha apha imali yokuqhubeka. Zikhona yini mhlawumbe izathu abayitshela abafundi ukuthi kungani behoxa?
Enye yezizathu esenza kuba ngaba siye kwi-Department of Higher Education kukuba ngaba sizamile uthethathethana no-NSFAS. U-NSFAS akakho willing uthethathethana nathi sizi-SRCs across the country. Apho sizawuthi sihlale khona phansi sithethe ngayo yonke le nto ukwenzela nathi sokwazi u-understand ukuba ngaba sibayekise ubaxhasa ngenxa yalento nalento. Kodwa ke ayikazi loo nto ukuthi apho sifumana khona ingcazelo ethe banzi esuka ku-NSFAS echaza ukuba kutheni izitudents ziye zadifundwa zibe bezifundwa ekuqaleni konyaka. Phofu leyo yinto leyo esingayihoyanga kakhulu kuba unokwazi ukuthi ungurhulumente ubaxhasa abantwana bayeke i-bursary opportunities ebebenozifumana ekuqaleni konyaka okanye bebenohlala emakwabo. ubafande then athi unyaka ehamba aye kubafanda uthi makuthini kwabantwana ingaba abantwana ngoku mabangabuyeli esikolweni bayohlala back emakwabo babe beqhuba befandwa ngeNSFAS eqaleni konyaka so yenye izizathu leyo esenza kube siye kuPlains Monday as well uPlains Monday sesambhalela samchazela besifuna umhlangano naye sibhala eqaleni kaJuly but zange office yakhe iphendule saye officeini kaPlains Monday kuviki ezimbini ezidlulileyo siyothetha siyoset up appointment naye kange abe willing ukuba uzawudibana nathi hence sisizibona ngokusiya ezitratweni siyomcela ukuba ngaba sicela uhlala naye phansi sithetha-thethane ngaleni kuba asifuni apho kuzabakho ii-cases ze-instability kwi-sector apho i-university zingazokwazi uqhubekeka nemfundo because i-students ziyastrike ngenxa yezingxaki ziza nazo that's why siye ePretoria siyozama uthetha-thethana naye sinethemba ukuba ngaba uzasimamela but ke zonke inzame siye saza nazo ba sithetha-thethane naye sizama uba nomhlangano naye akhange aphendule kuzo so asiyazi besawuthini umuva phambili.
Mandla Matya sibonge kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho siyanifisela nonke nje nabafundi jikelele eNingizimu Afrika sengathi singavela isisombululo ukuze phela abafundi baqhubeke nokufunda bafezekise amaphupho abo. Umbukeli lo bekuMandla Matya yena ke umengameli bemkhandla yabafundi emanyuvesi akuleli